Hello, guys, and welcome back to the fourth unit. And this unit is one thing that most of you guys you've been waiting for. You always wanted to see your cartoon moving. That's the only thing I'm pretty sure 95% of you guys always wanted to see. I don't care about drawing. I can draw some. Maybe they can say, I can draw, I can do this, I can do this. But the only thing I want to see my anime moving. That's all I want to see. That's exactly what we'll be doing on this unit. So before we even get started and start moving our cartoon, I want to show you few things that we definitely need to do before we can even get started. So you gotta go here, click a new layer, then you go straight to the composition name and you write like the main com. So the main com is generally like the main composition area. That's where like you'll be doing all the animation. So I'll tell you later on why. So the reason like I want to have a different compositions because like I don't want to, when I come to my background, I don't want to make mistakes like moving those moving my leaves, moving everything, that I messed everything up. So I want, when I decided to move anything, let's just say I made a mistake and I moved this by mistake, that if I want it back, I can go still come to my background and I get the original copy of it. So I'll just have to copy Control C, then I'll just copy this, and then I'll go to my main composition, then I click Control V. If you did notice, I didn't copy the image because I don't need the image anymore. Is the only thing I need. And another thing I believe you noticed that I started with the background before I started with my image. Then I will come here, then I'll go to my pasted draw. Then even on my pasted draw, the first thing that I will do, I will make a fake parent. That's called like a fake parent. So a fake parent is just all about taking this and just putting it around like your person. After putting your person, then you double click it, then we can call it like a bigger brother. Let's call it like a bigger brother. It's like your fake parent or your bigger sis. Then we just copy everything. As you know, we click control and we select everything. We click C and we select everything. Let's copy everything. So guys, I don't have to copy those. I can only copy the part in the sleeper, then everything below it I will just copy it automatically. Then when I'm taking the sleeper, everything just below it also moves. Then I can click Control X. What just happened? Let me just click Control Z. Okay, it seems as I gotta copy everything. I didn't copy the mode. I don't know why will I do that. So I can just click Control X to cut everything. Then I just, oh, I'm making the mistake. I'm not cutting things right now. The aim is not to cut. Now I'm moving everything to the big brother. I don't know why am I like trying to cut things. This is what I wanted to do. I'm moving things. I'm not yet cutting. Then from the big brother, we just come here. Then we can put no fill, or sometimes you just click there, then you say your opposite is 0. It's just the one and the same thing. Click here, click Control C, not Control X. Why am I doing a lot of mistakes? Control C, guys, not Control X. So you gotta click undo there, you click Control C, Then you can go straight to your main comp, not your background. I made a mistake there. Guys, I'm doing a lot of mistakes. I really don't know why. Go to your main comp. So it will take a little bit longer just to load because you have a lot of projects. Then you click Control V. Then this generally means like your person will be on top of the ground. So the background will have to be below and the person should be on top. Then this is what we have so far. And let me say, guys, I will see you on the next episode when we try to animate this, and maybe I may try to add a little bit of a grass there, mm, or I can just leave it like that. I'll see. Then thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next episode.